Hi, friend. Welcome back to my News PH channel, where I bring you the latest and most exciting news about the newest additions to the Philippine military.
Be strong.
It is interesting to note that by 2024, the United States Air Force will decommission many fighter aircraft and helicopters, a total of about 320 aircraft and helicopters, according to the information circulating. One of the helicopters to be decommissioned is the HH-60G Pave, 37 units of which will be decommissioned. It is interesting to discuss this time because on August 24, 2023, representatives from JUSMAG Philippines, led by LTC David S. Nelson, USAF, visited the home of the Trojans and were welcomed by BGEN Juliano C. Uranus of the Philippine Air Force. The Philippine Army should request at least 12 HH-60G Pave for combat SAR and Spec Ops support. The Philippine Army may also consider a squadron of 12 HH-60G for use by the 710th Special Operations Wing. We recommend acquiring the HH-60G Pave helicopter, and it will not be too difficult to maintain with the service, and the maintenance cost is also very low. The United States and the Philippines are seeking closer naval ties amid tensions in the region. Amid increased Chinese activity in the South China Sea, the Philippines' naval forces are seeking more vessels. By acquiring 12 units of HH-60G Pave, the Philippines can greatly strengthen its air power and suppress China's military aggression. The Sikorsky MH-60 HH-60 Pave is a four-blade, twin-engine, medium-lift utility military helicopter manufactured by Sikorsky Aircraft. It is a derivative of the UH-60 Black Hawk and incorporates the U.S. Air Force Pave Electronic Systems program. The HH-60 per Mega Henry-60 is a member of the Sikorsky S-70 family. The MH-60G Pave's primary mission is the insertion and recovery of special operations personnel, while the HH-60G Pave's core mission is the recovery of personnel under hostile conditions, including combat search and rescue. Both versions conduct day or night operations in hostile environments. Because of its versatility, the HH-60G may also perform peacetime operations such as civil search and rescue, emergency aeromedical evacuation, medevac, disaster relief, international aid, and counter-drug activities. The HH-60G Pave is the U.S. Air Force's primary combat search and rescue helicopter used by Air Force Special Tactics Teams and pararescue men. The HH-60G is also tasked to perform military operations other than war, including civil search and rescue, medical evacuation, disaster response, humanitarian assistance, security cooperation, aviation advisory, NASA spaceflight support, and rescue command and control. The Pave is a highly modified version of the Army Black Hawk helicopter which features an upgraded communications and navigation suite that includes integrated inertial navigation, global positioning, Doppler navigation systems, satellite communications, secure voice, and have quick communications. All HH-60G have an automatic flight control system, night vision goggles with lighting, and a forward-looking infrared system that greatly enhances night low-level operations. Additionally, Pave have color weather radar and an engine rotor blade anti-ice system that gives the HH-60G an adverse weather capability. Pave mission equipment includes a retractable in-flight refueling probe, internal auxiliary fuel tanks, 2 crew-served 7.62mm or .50 caliber machine guns, and an 8,000-pound, 3,600 kilograms, capacity cargo hook. To improve air transportability and shipboard operations, all HH-60 gigaseconds have folding rotor blades. Pave Hawk combat enhancements include a radar warning receiver, infrared jammer, and a flare chaff countermeasure dispensing system. HH-60G rescue equipment includes a hoist capable of lifting a 600-pound load, 270 kilograms, from a hover height of 200 feet, 60.7 meters, and a personnel locating system that is compatible with the PRC-112 survival radio and provides range and bearing information to a survivor's location. Pave Hawks are equipped with an over-the-horizon tactical data receiver that is capable of receiving near real-time mission update information.